Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to explore best open source software for Windows 10. Let's start. Number 1. 7-Zip. 7-Zip is a file archiver with a high compression ratio. High compression ratio in 7Z format with LZMA and LZMA2 compression. Lots of packing/unpacking formats. For zip and gzip formats, 7-Zip provides a compression ratio that is 2 to 10% better than the ratio provided by PKZip and WinZip. Strong AES-256 encryption in 7Z and zip formats. Self-extracting capability for 7Z format. Integration with Windows Shell. Powerful file manager. Powerful command line version. Plugin for File Manager. Localizations for 87 languages. 7-Zip works in Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista, XP, 2016, 2012, 2008, 2003, 2000 and NT. Number 2. VLC Media Player. VLC is a free and open-source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files, as well as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, and various streaming protocols. The open-source media player developed and maintained by Videolan, non-profit organization. Other than playing different audio-video formats, VLC can also be used to stream online content, download YouTube videos, and convert and compress videos. VLC runs on all versions of Windows, from Windows XP SP3 to the last version of Windows 10. Firefox browser that gives more power to you on Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Mozilla Firefox, or simply Firefox, is a free and open-source web browser developed by the Mozilla Foundation and its subsidiary, Mozilla Corporation. Firefox uses the Gecko layout engine to render web pages, which implements current and anticipated web standards. Mozilla Firefox browser that blocks 2,000+ trackers automatically. Firefox has lots of extensions and themes. They're like apps for your browser. They can block annoying ads, protect passwords, change browser appearance and much more. Tor Browser. Browse privately. Explore freely. Tor Browser isolates each website you visit, so third-party trackers and ads can't follow you. Any cookies automatically clear when you're done browsing. So will your browsing history. Tor Browser prevents someone watching your connection from knowing what websites you visit. All anyone monitoring your browsing habits can see is that you're using Tor. With Tor your traffic is relayed and encrypted 3 times as it passes over the Tor network. The network is comprised of thousands of volunteer-run servers known as Tor relays. FileZilla, FTP to upload or get files to a web server. FileZilla is a free software, cross-platform FTP application consisting of FileZilla client and FileZilla server. Client binaries are available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Server binaries are available for Windows only. Among others, the features of FileZilla include the following. Easy to use. Supports FTP, FTP over SSL/TLS, FTPS, and SSH file transfer protocol, SFTP. Cross-platform. Runs on Windows, Linux, BSD, Mac OS X and more. IPv6 support. Available in many languages. Supports resume and transfer of large files 4 GB. Tab user interface. Powerful site manager and transfer queue. Bookmarks. Drag and drop support. Configurable transfer speed limits. File name filters. Directory comparison. Network configuration wizard. Remote file editing. Keep alive. HTTP 1.1, SOCKS5 and FTP proxy support. Logging to file. Synchronized directory browsing. Remote file search. Notepad++ is a text and source code editor for use with Microsoft Windows. It supports tabbed editing, which allows working with multiple open files in a single window. The project's name comes from the C increment operator. Notepad++ is distributed as free software. Based on the powerful editing component FileZilla, Notepad++ is written in C++ and uses pure Win32 API and STL, which ensures a higher execution speed and smaller program size. Notepad++, a powerful, Windows-only text editor, has built-in syntax highlighting rules for upwards of 50 computer languages. It also supports user-defined syntax highlighting rules. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.